Hello and welcome to the solution video for this treasure chest puzzle. This is a 3D printed puzzle. It looks really sharp. It's a very clever puzzle, and if you want to see me fighting through the first time I was trying to solve it, please check out my other channel for that. But for this video, we're just going to do a solution. So it'll be pretty quick. Spoiler warning, here comes the solution. Alright, the solution for this puzzle, it says in the instructions that you want to reveal 3 triangles. Those 3 triangles are hidden here, here, and here. And you find them, or actually here, here, and here. And you find them by shifting these pieces to the side. To be able to get these 3 pieces, this one going in that direction, this one that direction, and this one going that way, you actually have to flip the box upside down for the first one, the middle one, that one. And you see that there's a triangle revealed. So again, it's completely upside down. That one will reveal itself. The other 2 are at about this angle and about that angle. Alright, then you reveal all 3 triangles. Then you're able to open up the base and get a coin out of it. And you can see the mechanism in there and how it works. Really clever. Gravity, like this spins with gravity. It's very cool. However, that is only the first part of the solution, is finding the treasure within the treasure chest. But there is also an additional fun find, and that is hidden inside of this piece. And inside the video where I try and discover what the second hidden treasure is, I spend quite a bit of time fiddling with this box and ignoring that this is sitting right there. It's pretty funny, you should go watch it. Alright, but here we go, and when you open this up, congratulations, you found the real solution. So I love that this has a nice little solution inside of there. What a fun way to take the puzzle to the next level. It really was. I mean, after fighting to figure all of this out, and then being able to find that the real solution was a little bit easier than that. It was kind of cool. It's hidden in plain sight the entire time, because you can see that. From the very beginning, you can see this piece, but you can't slide it off. But it's sitting right there. Here, oh, I did it backwards. No, I just missed the bar. Yeah, it's sitting. It's right here. So that's pretty cool. Alright. Let's do a quick reassembly where I already did the first part. You roll that up and put it in. Second part, this is going to go in here. If you do it the wrong way, it won't close. So you know if you're doing it the right way. And then this coin goes back inside there. That closes up. And then we're going to kind of close those in the opposite order. I think I found that these 2 don't matter the order that you do them in, but this one here has to be the first one and the last one. Other than that, we're in pretty good shape. So there you are. That is the full solution for the treasure chest box puzzle. What a fun and beautiful puzzle this is. It's really a good looking puzzle. It's nice and challenging. It does not take any force to move any of the pieces, so it's just using your mind to figure it out. I hope that that was fun for you. Have a wonderful day.